Hello students, stability of resonating structures, stability of resonance, some important key points, some important rules student. Now first rule student, that is first rule, neutral compounds are more stable. In this stability resonance, first rule is neutral compounds are having more stable. Now second point, more number of covalent bonds compounds always more stable. More number of covalent bond compounds always more stable. Now third point students, negative charge present on electronegativity atom. Very most important point student. Negative charge present on more electronegativity atom. Example, now take the oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegativity atom. So this electron oxygen having negative charge is there. Oxygen belongs to more electronegativity atom. So here this oxygen contain negative charge is there, that is always more stable. If in case this more electronegativity atom contain positive charge is there, if in case oxygen contain positive charge is there, that is always unstable. And one more point student, if in case carbon having positive charge is there, that compound is always stable. If in case carbon having negative charge is there, that is unstable. This is the third point student. Once again student, third point, negative charge present on more electronegativity atom. That means oxygen. Oxygen contain more negative charge is there, that is more stable. And one more example, that is nitrogen. If in case nitrogen having negative charge is there, that is also more stable. If in case nitrogen having positive charge is there, nitrogen contain positive charge is there, that is unstable. This is the simple trick student. Now next one, fourth point student, more number of pi bonds always more stable. More number of pi bonds are there, that is always more stable. And non-polar compound also more stable. These are the important, some important points student, that is some important key points for stability of resonance student. So first one is neutral compound is always more stable, and second compound is more number of covalent compounds are there, that compound is always more stable. Now third point is negative charge present on electronegativity atom, it contain negative charge present on electronegativity atom. Oxygen, example oxygen contain negative charge is there, that is more stable. If in case oxygen contain positive charge is there, that is unstable. If in case carbon having positive charge is there, stable. Carbon contain negative charge is there, unstable. These are the some important points. If in case more, next point student, there is more number of pi bond compound always more stable, and non-polar is also more stable. These are the very most important points and stability of resonance. Now take the example student, I will give some example student. First one, find out the stability order given following structures. First one, that is HC triple bond N, first compound, this is A compound. Then B compound is HC double bond N minus, this carbon getting positive charge. And C compound that is HC double bond N plus and C minus. See student, out of these three, which one is more stable student? Out of these three, which one is more stable? What is the first condition student? Neutral compounds always more stable. First rule, what is the first rule student? Neutral compound is always more stable. So out of these three, which one is neutral compound student? A compound, B compound, C compounds are there, and A compound do not contain any positive and negative charge. So this is the first compound having more stable. Why? Because of this is a neutral compound. And one more condition, what is the second point student? More number of covalent bonds, that is always more stable. This A compound contain 4 covalent bonds are there, 1 2 3 4, one single bond left hand side, one triple bond right hand side. So here 1 2 3 4, 4 covalent bonds are there. And B compound having and positive charge is there, negative charge is there, but it contain, this is unstable. Why? Because of what I said, first condition said neutral compounds always more stable, that is first condition. Second condition is more number of covalent compounds are there, that is more stable. So this is the positives, B compound having positive negative, C compound having positive negative, these both are unstable, but A compound is more stable than B and C. And what about B compound, C compound student? Out of these two, out of these four, which one is more stable? A compound is more stable than, then what about remaining compounds B and C? Out of these two, which one is more stable student? This B compound having 3 covalent bonds are there, C compound also having 3 covalent bonds, but both are equal covalent bonds. One next priority goes, what is the third priority student? What is the third point student? Negative charge present on more electronegativity atom. this nitrogen having more electronegative atom, nitrogen generally electronegative atom, nitrogen belongs to more electronegative atom, this nitrogen contain negative charge is there, so that's why stable. And one more thing student, carbon having positive charge is there, that is also stable, so B is more stable than C. This is a simple trick student. Now first condition, what is the resonating structure? First condition student, neutral compound, this first compound is neutral, remaining positive negative charges are there. And second condition is more covalent bonds are there, this A compound is 4 covalent bonds, remaining 3 covalent bonds. And what about this? That's right, these two conditions are satisfied, that's why it is a stable. What about B and C student? B compound having 3 covalent bonds are there, C compound also 3 covalent bonds are there. Out of these three, which one, out of these two, which one is more stable student? Now third priority goes to, third rule is, what is the third rule student? Negative charge present on electronegativity atom. So here this negative charge present on nitrogen, nitrogen is more electronegativity atom, so that's why negative charge present on electronegativity atom, so that's why it is B compound is more stable than C compound. At what about C compound student? This nitrogen generally, nitrogen belongs to more electronegativity atom, nitrogen generally more electronegative atom, this nitrogen contain positive charge is there, this positive charge, electronegativity atom contain positive charge is there, that is always unstable, that is also always unstable. And carbon, this carbon generally positive charge is there stable, but this carbon contain negative charge is there, that is also one reason student. So A is more stable than B, B is more stable than C. This is the simple trick student. Now take the one more example student, that is second, this is first example. Now take the second example student. Now example, now take the formic acid, HC double bond O, OH, this is A compound, then B compound is, that is H, for example this bond shifting to here, O minus, this carbon getting positive, this is B compound, then C compound, this bond shifting down, this positive, this carbon negative, same thing. And then D compound, O minus, double bond, like this is there. So out of these four, which one is more stable student? Out of these four structures, these four resonating structure, which one is more stable? So what is the condition student? Resonating structure condition student, first priority goes to neutral compound. If neutral compound is there, that is always more stable. So out of these four, which one is neutral compound student? A compound is neutral because of there is no charge, whereas remaining element B compound also having charges are there, C compound also having charges are there, D compound also having charges are there, all are charges are there, but except A compound. A compound do not contain any charges, so that's why A is more stable. And one more thing, second condition, what is the second condition student? More number of covalent bonds are there, that compound is always more stable. So A compound contain, how many covalent bonds are there student? A compound contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 covalent bonds are there. And B compound contain 1, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds are there. And C compound also having 1, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds are there. But in D compound contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 covalent bonds are there student. So A compound also having 5 covalent bonds and D compound also having 5 covalent bonds. But both are equal covalent bonds are there. So now what to do student? First priority goes to neutral compound. A is a neutral and D is the positive negative charge is there. So first priority goes to neutral compound. So that's why A is more stable than D. Why? Because of D compound having 5 covalent bonds are there. A compound also 5 covalent bonds. A is neutral, so that's why first priority goes to A compound. A is more stable than D compound. D is more stable than, and what about B and C compound? What about B and C compound student? B compound having 1, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds. C compound also having 1, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds. Equal covalent bonds are there. Now what is the third point student? What is the third point student? What I said student? If in case negative charge present on more electronegativity atom, negative charge present on more electronegativity atom, so that is always more stable. In the B compound student, this negative charge present on oxygen, oxygen belongs to more electronegativity atom. oxygen having more electronegativity atom, so this oxygen contain negative charge is there, that's why more stable. And one more thing student, that is this carbon having positive charge is there, that is also stable. So and B compound is more stable, B compound is more stable than B compound is more stable than C compound. This is the simple trick student. Once again student, what is the differences between B compound and C compound? B compound having, this B compound having 4 covalent bonds, C compound also having 4 covalent bonds. Out of these two, which one is more stable student? B compound having oxygen contain negative charge, carbon containing positive charge, that's why it is B stable. But in C compound, oxygen having positive charge is there. This oxygen is more electronegativity atom, oxygen belongs to more electronegativity atom. So this electronegativity atom contain positive charge is there. If in case positive charge is there, that is always unstable. And carbon also negative charge, carbon contain negative charge is there, that is also unstable. What I said student, that is oxygen having negative charge is there, more stable, and oxygen having positive charge is there, that is unstable. If in case carbon having positive charge is stable, carbon having negative charge is there, unstable. This is the simple trick student. So in this A compound and B compound, A compound A is greater than B, B is greater than C compound. But in second example, in formic acid resonance structure, A is more stable than D, D is more stable than B, B is more stable than C. This is the simple trick for stabilization of resonance student. What are the main important 4? You remember 4 points student. First point, once again I am telling student, once again I am telling student, first point is neutral compound first priority. Neutral compound first priority goes to neutral compound. Neutral compound always more stable. Second point, what is the student? More number of covalent bonds. Second point is more number of covalent bond. More number of covalent bond. More number of covalent bond compound always more stable. Now third point, what is the third point student? More electronegativity charge, more electronegativity charge. Electronegativity atom contain negative charge is there, stable. Electronegativity atom contain oxygen positive charge is there, unstable. And carbon contain positive charge is there, stable. Carbon contain negative charge is there, unstable. Nitrogen contain negative charge is there, stable. Nitrogen contain positive charge is there, unstable. These are the simple tricks student. And one more point, last point, what is the last point student? But is first point is neutral compound having more stable. Second one is more number of covalent compounds or more number of covalent bonds always, that compound is always more stable. And a third point, what is the third point student? Electronegativity atom, more electronegativity atom, more electronegative atom contain negative charge is there, stable. If in case electronegative atom contain positive charge is there, unstable. And carbon positive charge is there, stable. These are the important points, and you remember these 3 very most important point. This is a simple trick for stability. What is the stability of resonating structure student? And more number of, last point is more number of compound contain more number of pi bonds. More number of pi bonds are there, that compound also more stable. Pi bonds means more number of double bonds are there. Compound containing more number of double bonds are there, that compound is always more stable. The double bonds means what is the conjugation? Compulsory conjugation, double single, double single, double single, alternate double single is there, is always more stable student. This is the simple trick for resonating structure student. These are the resonating important points of stabilization of resonating structure student. If you like my video, please like, share, and thank you student. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you, and thanks for watching student.